First thing I'm gonna do is get 10 in my mouth. 1. I'm actually really good at this. 2. 3. 3. 4. 5. 6. Ow, I just bit my lip. Laura, if you're watching this, this is a shout out to you because I bite my lip all the time when I'm with her. 7. 7, I think. 8. Need to stop talking. 8. 9. 9. 10. I got 10 in my